In a serene forest, a rustic log cabin stands, surrounded by towering pines and colorful wildflowers, beckoning its owner to keep it in perfect condition. The owner, a cheerful woman with braided brown hair, examines the cabin's wooden exterior for signs of wear, intending to preserve its natural charm. Noticing some faded spots, she prepares eco-friendly wood stain to rejuvenate the logs and protect against weather damage while respecting nature's beauty. With her brush, she carefully applies the stain, bringing new life to the cabin's weathered wood, a joyful smile lighting up her face. After her hard work, she steps back to admire the transformation, the vibrant wood gleaming in the sunlight, highlighting the cabin's rustic allure. Next, she turns her attention to the roof, checking for loose shingles and planning to clear the gutters to ensure proper drainage during rainstorms. She skillfully replaces a few worn shingles and cleans out the gutters, preventing potential water damage and ensuring the cabin remains cozy and dry. Having finished above, she moves inside to check for drafts around the windows and doors, ready to seal any gaps that could invite the cold. After sealing the gaps, she decorates the interior with rustic charm and soft lighting, making it a welcoming haven for family and friends. Finally, with the cabin beautifully maintained, she steps outside as dusk falls, appreciating the fruits of her labor, a perfect retreat in nature. The allure of log cabins captivates many with their rustic charm and timeless appeal. With handcrafted logs and natural materials, these cabins tell a story of connection to nature. The history of log cabins reveals their popularity as symbols of a simple rural lifestyle. To preserve their beauty and longevity, proper maintenance is essential for every log cabin. Understanding log cabin construction starts with recognizing the unique characteristics of natural logs. Distinct types of logs are used in building, each offering unique advantages and disadvantages. A strong foundation is crucial for preventing moisture damage and ensuring the cabin's stability. Regular cleaning is paramount to maintain your log cabin's integrity and aesthetics. Inspecting for cracks and damage is essential in preserving the log's healthy state. Addressing signs of insect infestation promptly prevents larger problems for the log cabin. Maintaining the roof of the cabin protects it from rain and snow, safeguarding its structure. Proper gutter function prevents dangerous water buildup and potential damage to log cabins. Identifying moisture issues is vital for log cabin maintenance and protecting interior sanctity. Moisture intrusion can damage logs, so understanding how to prevent it is essential. Enhancing energy efficiency with insulation and proper ventilation keeps cabins cozy year-round. Energy-saving appliances further contribute to sustainability and comfort in modern log cabins. Personal touches like unique landscaping can elevate a log cabin's charm even further. A deck extends outdoor living space, inviting relaxation in the serene log cabin surroundings. Outdoor lighting enhances evening ambiance, creating a magical atmosphere around the log cabin. Regular maintenance extends the life of log cabins, keeping them a beloved retreat for years. Cherishing and caring for your cabin ensures it remains a sanctuary for generations. Each log cabin carries stories and memories within its walls, making its preservation vital. Join a community that values the rustic beauty and unique stories of log cabins. Summer gatherings bring warmth, laughter, and memories at log cabins nestled in nature. Ensuring your log cabin is well maintained fosters a sense of belonging and comfort. Unique features like handcrafted furniture personalize the cabin and enhance its rustic charm. Stories of resilience thrive within the walls of log cabins, symbolizing strength and simplicity. As seasons change, log cabins adapt, welcoming warm fires during winter and cool breezes in summer. Embrace sustainable living by caring for your log cabin and enjoying nature's gifts. The natural beauty of log cabins offers a tranquil escape from the bustling outside world. Regular maintenance reveals the log's rich textures, reinforcing their age-old beauty. Engaging in maintenance creates a bond with your cabin, preserving its spirit and history. Discover the joy of DIY repairs, enhancing your skills while caring for your cabin. A well-cared-for cabin symbolizes love, bringing together friends and family for shared experiences. Protect your investment by following essential maintenance tips, ensuring long-lasting enjoyment. Each season offers new opportunities for maintenance tasks, embracing nature's rhythms. Realizing the importance of regular upkeep can prevent costly repairs down the road. Log cabins, when maintained properly, serve as peaceful retreats, inviting tranquility into lives. The legacy of log cabins inspires a new generation to appreciate nature's beauty and simplicity. Share your own log cabin stories and heartfelt memories with the community. Comments abound with tips and tales, fostering a connection among log cabin enthusiasts. Together, we can celebrate the beauty of log cabins and their unique heritage. Encouraging conversations on maintenance ensures future generations cherish their log cabins. Remember, a well-maintained log cabin becomes a refuge, embodying love and legacy for all. Start your own journey of log cabin maintenance, ensuring timeless enjoyment for years to come. Embrace the satisfaction that comes with preserving your log cabin. Each effort adds to its enduring charm. Seasonal decor brings a touch of personality and joy to your cabin all year long. Let your cabin evolve with you. Add features that reflect your changing needs and dreams. A cabin workshop fosters creativity, where wood, tools, and passion come together. Installing solar panels blends rustic living with modern sustainability. Nature trails around your cabin offer peace, exercise, and year-round wonder. Building memories around bonfires and stargazing creates timeless magic. Every log you preserve, every beam you seal becomes part of your legacy. The journey of cabin stewardship is one of learning, patience, and quiet rewards. A well-loved log cabin is not just a home, it's a living story passed down through generations,